In Lava, you can customize your loads in here for your load assemblies. We have a variety of different loads ready for you, and you'll see that you have roof loads and floor loads. In the case here, I have a floor load with a single family residence I-joist with carpet. I can adjust things right on the screen, so I can adjust this if I want to say, hey, let's not do carpet heavy over pad. I want to just call it carpet, and I'd like to give it a 1 pound. As long as I say apply changes, it adjusts that there. I can keep going and making changes, but I can also do this and so that I can adjust the name. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the database where it's held. And if I go over to the database, the loads section, I find here there's load groups and combinations, and what we're adjusting is called load assemblies. So I'm going to go down to the load assembly for the floor, and if I go scroll down on this list, I should find the single family carpet I-joist, and I'd like to make changes to the name as well as I'd like to call this truss. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to go to preferences under settings and unlock this database. So going to reset, click on the temporary unlock databases. Say OK, and that will unlock everything. And now I can edit this database. So clicking on edit, I can change the name, and I'm going to call this truss. And I'm not going to have carpet. I prefer not to say that in there, so I'm going to keep that as just truss. And then I can say OK. And I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to change this to be truss. And I'm going to change this to be 3 pounds per square foot for my application. So I've got applied changes. I now have done everything I want in here. I have truss, carpet, and I've renamed the name. In order to enable this in my project, I have to save. So I'm going to save this project. I'm going to call this a test, and then I'll save it. And I'm going to go jump back into opening this project up again. So I'll just reopen that test file so it reloads it. And when I go to the building definitions under my load assembly, I see my new load here. Floor, single family truss, and there's the truss and the carpet. So I have a new name and a new loading system. Thanks for watching the video, and check out more on lavabuild.com.